Someone wanted to know about smartphone blindness, and it's really smartphone transient blindness because it doesn't last. It'll get better. And the reason it's a transient blindness is because the retinal photoreceptors need time to recover. So there's a retinal recovery time after photoreceptors are exposed to a light stimulus. And so what happens is the person is lying down in bed and they're looking at their phone, and the phone is bleaching the photoreceptors. And usually what happens is they're only looking at the phone with one eye, or like the pillow is over here. And so this eye is effectively being dark adapted, and this eye is being subjected to the light emanating from the phone. And so when they get up to go to the bathroom, now the dark adapted eye and the light adapted eye are not equal. And so they'll have the perception that the eye that was just seeing the smartphone all of a sudden can't see, but the dark adapted eye can see. And so there'll be the perception of a transient monocular blindness caused by bleaching of the photoreceptors in the eye that was looking at the phone. And this is one of the theories for which people think that pirates wore pirate patches. That you would be on the deck as a pirate and you keep one eye dark adapted and one eye is light adapted. And then if you had to go downstairs into the hold of the ship to go get another sword or whatever, punch, rum, that you could walk down the stairs and switch the patch over onto the light adapted eye. The dark adapted eye could now see. You can see how this would be a theoretic battle advantage if you're in the middle of the battle and the captain says, go down and get some more sabers. And then we come up back on the deck, we switch the patch back to the other eye. It's preserving one eye dark and light. So the same thing that supposedly caused the pirate patch also causes smartphone blindness. It goes away, and it's all historical. You have to ask them which eye was down, which eye was looking at the phone. Was it when you got up, and which eye had the transient blindness? Because it's photoreceptor-based bleaching, it'll just pass. And you can re-challenge the person if they don't believe it by replicating the exact same symptoms and the exact same circumstances. And if it makes the smartphone blindness, it's a re-challenge that proves the diagnosis. The reason you need to know it is if you have transient blindness and you don't get all this history, you're going to get a full TIA and stroke workup, when in reality, you just need to know about smartphone blindness.